Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Draw Zero to open camera on Realme C67 device. There are many features that Realme users may not be aware of. And then here I will teach you how to launch camera without wake the screen of your device. Well, first thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, scroll down here until you find Smart Control option. Okay, just tap on it. And then here you can select the first option, Screen of Gestures, and you can activate it. Well, after activating, and then here will appear the three options and you can activate the second one to launch camera by drawing zero. Okay, after that, let's check it. Okay, and then the camera is successfully launched when you draw zero on the screen of your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable Draw Zero to open camera on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.